What's up guys, it's Aiden, and today we're going to go through how Travis Scott's No Bystanders was made. Let's get into the video. This song was produced by Young Larry David, TM88, Mike Dean, Gezin, and WondaGurl. Got some really big names on this track. Big shout out to Cymatics for sponsoring these videos. Check out their Ultimate 808 bundle in the description below. They're running a special deal just for my viewers. We can get access to 5 of their 808 sample packs, as well as an 808 enhancer plugin, all for 25 bucks. So this pack contains over 300 808s, as well as an 808 enhancer for a massively discounted price. And these are all really high quality, royalty-free 808 samples. Just listen to some of these samples. So feel free to support the channel by checking out Cymatics' Ultimate 808 bundle in the description below. Anyway, let's jump into the remake. First off, No Bystanders samples this song called Joya. I'm not sure how it's pronounced. It's gonna sound like this. So we're taking that into the playlist and we're gonna use this first part of the sample. We're pitching this sample up by 2 semitones, and we're adding some RC20 for some distortion, some fruity chorus, fruity flanger, some reverb, and some compression. Then we're layering that sample a second time, and we're adding that to a separate mixer track. And we're gonna be adding some more RC20, some fruity flanger, and then some more reverb. And instead of pitching it up by 2 semitones, we're actually gonna bring it down by 10 semitones, which is an octave below the first one. That's gonna sound like this. So together they're going to sound like this. It's a really creative way of resampling this sample, having one half being pitched up and the other half being pitched down. Then we're layering in the identical 808. I've never seen such a complex 808 pattern, especially with these pitch downs. It's a really cool addition to the 808. And for effects on the 808, we're adding a low pass filter, some RC20 just to add some noise to the sample. So this is without the noise. And this is with the noise. Just adding a little bit more into the high end. Then we're coming into the chorus. The sample switches up a couple times. This one was chopped. Now we're just gonna be playing the original melody. But this second half has still been taken down an octave. And here we have a second 808 pattern coming in. I'm not going to play the entire pattern for you, but this is the MIDI for it. Then we're adding in some drums. So as you can see, we have this hi-hat, as well as a snare. But as you can see, we're playing it down at G#4. It's going to sound like this. Then we also have the identical hi-hat coming in, which is just the Lex hat. It's gonna sound like this. Then we have this kick coming in as well. This is the J Platinum kick. As you can see, if we look at the waveforms of the original song, the kick is clipping. So I've brought up the volume, put it onto the mixer, and on the master, we're adding some fruity soft clipper. So the kick plays this pattern. Then coming into Travis Scott's verse, you can see the sample is switched up again. We have now stretched out the sample, so it's going to sound like this. We've added an automation clip, that way it's now being played in the center. Then we have this weird sort of whistling preset coming in. And you can find this preset in Omnisphere. It is the psychopathic whistle sound. So that's gonna sound like this. Then this pattern switches up. Then later on in the song, we have a new preset coming in. Once again, this is an identical preset from the original song. This is the Lotus Flute from Omnisphere. You can very easily hear the Lotus Flute. It sounds very distinctive and it plays this pattern. For effects, we're adding some chorus and some RC20 retro color once again for some added distortion, space reverb, and bringing up the tone. And that's it for the first half of the song. Then we have this section of the song. Now, I don't know what the exact piano preset they used in this song or if it was a live piano, but we're going to be playing these chords. And you can find this preset in Addictive Keys. I use the Studio Grand Mono Compressed preset. And for effects, I added some gross beat to the volume, as well as some more RC20 just to bring up the tone. Then we also have this synth coming in from Repro 5 with 2 square oscillators for oscillator A and B. And that's going to sound like this. Then the 808 comes back in and we're playing this pattern. Anyway, that's it for the instrumental. This is the end result. Anyway, that's it for the remakes. If you want to watch the first one again, that is Kanye West, Can't Tell Me Nothing. That is it for the videos. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time.